Okay, now the screen is recorded. Everything you say right now, everything you do right now is recorded clearly. Okay, so be nice. I'm going to upload it on YouTube and then send it to Jocelyn. So I don't need to explain again to Jocelyn. Yo, nah,
Mak, aku mau
after
tutup.
mute for a while, I need to talk. Yeah, after finishing the progress check, you will have the project unit. Nah, in this project unit, I decide to aku masuk YouTube. Yeah, I decide for you to make an experiment about what effect a solid dissolve in water more quickly. Yeah, in the previous lesson, I have shown you a video of a kid that is having an experiment. Yeah, so you will do the same thing. Nah, wait. Now, this is the announcement that I will send to you. This one. Wait. I'm going to share screen for a while. Share screen. Share sound. Nah, look, check on your group, grade 6. Hello, guys. Nah,
Wis.
yes.
Before isi tulisan tulisan kayak Arab gitu.
What?
Before.
Before, yeah. That's from a lot of WhatsApp. Nih, I have sent the announcement about Science Unit 2 project. Yeah, remember it is sent on grade 6. Yeah, grade 6 group. Yeah, make an experiment about what affect how quickly a solid dissolve in water. First, I send the worksheet. Wait, yeah, I will send the worksheet here. Download the worksheet how to conduct the experiment. Read and prepare all the material needed for the experiment. Later record your experiment in a video. And then write the result of the experiment into the worksheet. The last thing is send your video and written worksheet to my WhatsApp. Or if it is not enough, send it to email. Yeah, this is the email that I share. Wisdian. Wrong. This is the email is wrong. Wait, I'm going to change. Delete message for everyone. And then I write again. It's Wisdian. How come I write down my own name wrong? Wisdian 13. Nah, this one. Yeah, wisdian13@gmail.com. Later just copy paste ya. Okay, I'm going to open the worksheet. This is the worksheet. Can you see my screen, everyone? Jer, Mel, Brendan, Yvonne, can you see it? What
Yes.
do I open right now? Can you read? Please read.
What affects how quickly a solid dissolves in water?
Yes.
In what?
Good. Nah, this is
What?
this one. Yeah, this is so it means you can see my screen.
Streaming.
Nah, aim. Yeah, aim. The goal to investigate the factors that affect how quickly a solid dissolves in water. And then the skill, you need to use apparatus, measuring, observing, and blah blah blah. Read by yourself. Now, this is the important thing. What you need? You need beakers. If you don't need beakers, if you don't have beakers, use a glass. Yeah, transparent glass. Why need to be transparent? Because later you will record it. So later we can see the experiment clearly. Yeah, use a transparent glass. Yeah, if you don't have this beaker, yeah, just use transparent glass. I'm sure all of you have transparent glass. And then tap water, sugar cube. Do you know sugar cube? Ayo jawab yuk. Do you know sugar cube? Sugar cube? Sugar cube, you don't know sugar cube.
Sugar.
Sugar cube itu.
Gula bentuk kotak.
Sugar cube. Sugar cube is, come on, sugar cube nih, sugar cube. Sugar cube. Lah, like this loh, sugar cube. Ask your mom ya. Your mom know, I think. Nih, sugar cube nih. Gula bentuk kotak. Nah, this is sugar cube. Nah, this is sugar cube. Everybody knows ya. You need sugar cube like this. Sugar cane ya, sugar cube like this ya. I think it is available in sugar glider. Sugar cube like this. I think it is available in it is available Jericho ngaco. It is available in supermarket ya, Superindo or Indomaret maybe. Sugar cube like this. And then nih, this one. Nah, you need sugar cube, teaspoon or spatula. If you don't have spatula, just use teaspoon. Sendok teh. And then glass rod sugar. Ya, rock sugar, mortar and pestle, cold water, warm water, laboratory thermometer. If you don't have laboratory thermometer, later I will tell you. If you don't have laboratory thermometer, you can use the thermometer, the gun, thermogun. Do you have thermogun at home? Do you have thermogun at home, guys? If you don't have thermogun, later just use your hand, yeah, to tell, oh, it is warm, it is cold, like that, yeah. If you have thermogun, it is better. Nah, there will be 3 experiments you need to do. The first one, this is the first one, yeah. Fill 2 glasses, yeah, or beaker if you have 200 ml of tap water each, like this, yeah. So you fill water. Beaker A and beaker B. The first one, there are 2 glasses ya, glass A and glass B. Add 1 sugar cube into each beaker at the same time. Must be in the same time. Ya, put into the cube, into the glass, in the same time ya. Both of them ya. And then stir the content of beaker A until all sugar dissolve in water. And then the beaker B, don't stir it. So stir only the sugar A. Stir this one. Okay. Stir until all the sugar cube dissolve completely. For sugar B, don't do anything. Yeah. Don't do anything to sugar B. To beaker B. And then answer the question. In which beaker did the sugar dissolve completely first? Is it beaker A or beaker B? Beaker A with stirring, beaker B without stirring. Do you understand? Do you understand? Hello? No? You understand? So what should you do in the first experiment? Can you explain to me? In first experiment? First, please tell me, Brandon. No, Brandon will explain to us. Yo, Brandon. Yo, Brand. Halo, Brandon malah kabur. Woi. Explain to us. What should you do in first experiment? Explain. Brand. The first experiment nih, this is very easy experiment. What you need to prepare?
Glass rod.
2 glasses. For the first, prepare 2 glasses. Ya.
Glasses.
Label it. Glass A or beaker A, glass B or beaker B. What's next?
Mister, don't use sugar cube. Just use this.
And then, wait, Brandon.
Sugar cube.
Use water ya, normal water. Ya, normal water. Not hot, not too cold. Just normal water. Pour all of them with the same amount of water. And then next, what is that, Brandon? Hello?
Stir it.
Stir it. Which one you should stir it? Both of them or only one? Hello?
Two.
You need to stir both of them or only one?
One.
Only one. Which baker? Baker A or baker B?
A.
Baker A. Like that ya?
I think.
Melbourne, Yvonne, Jericho, do you understand?
Understand.
Understand. Good. After that, record. Ya, write down which one. Ya. Nathan ya. Nah. Big. And then write down like that. Write down. Baker. Oh.
Mister.
Ya.
Sir, ini project.
Yes, project. Di solve.
Oh, ini projectnya nanti.
Baker A di solve first or second, okay? Because first or second matter. Yeah, it depends on your experiment. Now, based on your observation, conclude how stirring affect how quickly solid dissolve water. Yeah, so letter stirring will make solid dissolve quickly or slower. Yeah, it's up to you. Depends on your experiment. Okay ya, later write down the result. That is the first experiment. Now, write down 3 variables that should be kept the same so that the test is fair. 3 variables. So to make the test fair, what variable? Yeah, is the size of sugarcane. Sugarcane must be same size, right? What else? The water temperature, is it same or different? Okay, and then the size of the glass. Yeah, you also need to use same size. Okay, that's variable. Write down the variable here. So to make the experiment fair, you need to prepare those kind of things. Next, this is the second experiment. Fill 2 beakers with 200 ml of tap water each. Yeah, 200 ml. If you have beaker, it will be easier. Yeah, but if you don't have a beaker or measuring glass, yeah, use your intuition. Label it with C and D. Yes, label with C and D. And then choose 2 pieces of rock sugar of similar size. If you don't have the rock sugar, just use the sugar cube. Yeah. If you don't have rock sugar, one more time, use sugar cube. Yeah, sugar cube like this again. If you don't have rock sugar, and then crush 1 piece of rock sugar or the cube sugar, only one. Crush it. Yeah. Crush it, and then later there will be 2 sugar, right? Sugar A and sugar B. Sugar cube A, sugar cube B. The sugar C and D. One of the sugar cane, you crush it. Which has large total surface, the crushed rock sugar or the uncrushed? Ya, mana yang lebih lebar? Add the crushed rock sugar into the beaker C and uncrushed rock sugar into the beaker D at the same time. Nah, this is the crushed sugar put in beaker C. And then uncrushed yang masih utuh, ya, the uncrushed put in beaker D. Ya, one more time. The crushed sugar yang udah lembut-lembut, you have crushed it, put in beaker C. But the uncrushed put in beaker D. Yeah, always fill it with water. Follow the step. And then leave beaker C and D aside for the sugar in them to dissolve in the water. So after that, don't do anything. Don't stir it. Yeah, just leave it be there. It will take so long. Yeah, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Just let it be there. Yeah. And then, in which beaker did the sugar dissolve completely first? Which one? Is it beaker C or D? Which one will dissolve quickly? Do you think beaker C, the crushed one, or beaker D, the uncrushed one? Yeah. And then, based on your observation, conclude how the surface area of solid affect. Nih, write down the result here, and then write down 3 variable that should be kept the same so the test is fair. Then the variable again, 3 again. Yeah, okay, for the second experiment, do you understand? Now, Melvern, can you explain to me what should you do in the second experiment? Explain to us. First, what you should prepare?
It's just like simple, but it's more different.
Crush
one piece of rock sugar into fine piece, just with mortar and pestle.
So you prepare 2 kind of sugar ya, 2 kind of sugar ya, same sugar.
On beaker C and uncrushed rock sugar on beaker D.
And then, do you need to do something with the beaker C and beaker D? Nah, just let it be there ya. Let it dissolve. Let them dissolve. It will take so long. I have tried it. It takes so long. Yeah, it takes so long, and then we just see which one will dissolve quicker, C or D. Yeah. Next. Okay ya, everybody. Brandon, Yvonne, Jericho, do you understand? Do you understand with the second experiment? No. Waduh, no. Okay ya. Okay, this is the last experiment. And then, nih, how does temperature of water affect how quickly solid dissolve in water? Nah, first, label to beaker E and F. Ya, always we compare to glasses of beaker ya. Fill with 200 milliliter, both of them. Yeah, if you don't have measuring glass, just use your intuition. Make sure the volume are same, okay, between E and F. And then measure the temperature. Lah, to measure temperature, actually you need to have laboratory thermometer. But I'm sure I don't think everybody has laboratory thermometer. But if you have thermogun, if you have thermogun, it's okay. But if you don't have, it's okay. Yeah, just use your hand. Oh, this is hot or warm. Yeah, use your hand if you don't have. And then temperature of water in beaker E. Use your ya kira-kira lah ya, use your intuition. Kira-kira berapa derajat? If it is really hot, boiling, did you remember if boiling, how many temperature is this? How many degrees is it? If boiling of water. Hello. If boiling water, what temperature? Do you still remember? Boiling water is 100 degrees Celsius. Yeah. If boiling water, you take water and then it is boiling and then you put in the glass, it is 100 degrees Celsius and then it is very hot. So be careful. If it is hot, yeah, maybe it is between 50 until 50, 60, 70. Yeah, you use your intuition if you don't have thermogun. Yeah, so one is hot, the other is normal water. Okay. In which beaker does the water have higher temperature letter? Is it E or F? So there are two ya, beaker A and beaker F. Add 1 sugar cube into each ya. Beaker A there is sugar cube, cemplung. Beaker F sugar cube, cemplung in the same time with the same amount of water. Ya, beaker A is cold water. Beaker F is warm water. Ya, one of them is warm. Ya, one of them is cold. In which beaker did the sugar cube dissolve completely first? So it means you don't do anything. Just watch it. Observe. Don't stir it. Yeah. Wait until all the sugar dissolve more quickly. How long I don't know. It takes so long because you don't stir it. Don't do anything. Just let it be. Just let them dissolve by itself. Nah, and then answer. Based your observation, conclude how the temperature of water affect how quickly a solid dissolves in the water. Yeah, and then write down the three variable again. Same. Okay, do you understand what should you do, Jericho? Later, Ivan, I will also ask. Do you understand the third experiment?
I don't know, tapi yang kedua mah tahu.
Yang ketiga, do you understand what the third experiment?
No.
You don't know?
Sedikit.
Sedikit. Later Miss Hani will tell you ya. Nah, about Yvonne, do you understand Yvonne what should you do?
Nah, aku lah sabarin sama misalnya. Kan Kamis.
Allah, it's not my business. It's your own business. Okay, Yvonne, do you understand what should you do in the third experiment, Yvonne? Hello, Yvonne? Ask to unmute. Yes? Ask to unmute. Yvonne?
I will read the instruction letters.
Oh, okay then. You will have the lesson letter. Okay, yeah. So there will be 3 experiment like this, yeah. So I send this worksheet into the group WhatsApp. Wait, I'm going to give it into group WhatsApp. This is grade 6. Okay, I'm going to send it right now, so I will not forget. Mana ya? Healthy meal. Mana sih? What effect this one? What effect? What effect? What effect? Oh, I haven't saved it yet. I need to save it first. Wait for a while ya guys. Save worksheet. And then change it into PDF. Science 6, science, what effect? And then put it in worksheet. Christian, worksheet, grade 6, science. Good, new folder, unit 2. I need to make sure everything is safe in its place because later I will not be confused. Yeah, it is saved into PDF. This is the worksheet. I send it to you.
Class U versus Iler.
You observe everything, ya Melv. You need to this open. So check the WhatsApp group. Yeah, this is I have sent it here. Grade 6 science, what effect? How quickly a solid dissolve more quickly. Next, nah, loh, waktunya udah selesai. 5 more minutes. We still have 5 more minutes ya. Okay, how can you conduct the experiment? I have one example. We have watched it last time. Okay. Wait, I'm going to make sure you can watch my screen. This one. Sure. Nah, this is an experiment done by a student. Yeah, you can also follow.
Cepet dong, Fer, tolong.
Yeah, this one. Material that dissolve more quickly. Yeah, he even give the title loh. You can edit this video by using Canva, or also you can also edit the video if you know how to do Filmora. Yeah, 2 years ago we learned Filmora, but not yet completely.
Today I will be doing a science experiment. I will be investigating the solubility of sugar in hot and cold water.
This one he does an experiment to compare with sugar will dissolve more quickly in hot or cold water. Yeah. So that's the third experiment. Our third experiment.
The apparatus and materials that we need. I have here glass A and glass B and hot water and cold water and 1 teaspoon of sugar and another teaspoon of sugar and 2 straws. First step, pour the hot water inside glass A.
So he not only doing the experiment, he also explain the material he prepared. Okay, so mention the material and then also explain what he needs to do. Yeah. Look, for hot water, he uses protection. Always, safety is number 1. Yeah, use tissue.
Second step is we pour the cold water into glass B. Sorry for the mess earlier. Now let's get back to our experiment. Let's add this sugar into glass A.
The sugar he used is the crushed one, ya, yang butirannya kecil-kecil.
Now let's add the same amount of sugar into glass B.
Same amount of sugar. So
We need to stir
The
the
size
water
need to be
in
same.
both glasses in the same time. Call my assistant to help me. Hello, I'm Leia.
you can also ask your sister or your friend or your mom. Nah, in this experiment, he added stirring, ya, stirring, ya. The stirring is our experiment in the second experiment, ya. Hot water plus stirring. Nah, stirring, it will be faster because hot water and then stirring and cold water and then stirring. So which one will dissolve more quickly? Observe it.
The sugar in glass A has completely dissolved.
And then observe which one
There
dissolves.
are still a little bit more sugar in glass B. How is that possible?
How is that possible?
Based on my observation, sugar in glass A dissolves more quickly than sugar in glass B.
Yeah, in this step he conclude, make conclusion which one dissolve more quickly and why.
Now what can we say about this experiment? Which water can dissolve sugar more quickly? Glass A or glass B? Hot water or cold water? Yes, hot water dissolves sugar more quickly. The conclusion is soluble materials can dissolve quickly in hot water than cold water. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy learning science with me. Thank you and goodbye. See you again next time.
Nah, that is an example how to conduct an experiment. Is there any question, guys? No? So you are really
Dokter, aku ada satu pertanyaan.
what?
Berarti kalau ditaruh di air panas, gula bisa meleleh langsung gitu.
Wait. Can you say it again one more time?
Kalau gula ditaruh di air yang panas banget gitu, langsung meleleh.
Yeah.
Enggak.
Later find out that in an experiment.
Wow.
Find out that in an experiment. Yeah. If you use a hotter water or boiled water, it will dissolve more quickly or not. Yeah, find out. Yeah, without stirring loh ya. Follow the step on the worksheet. Yeah, just follow the step. I have written all the steps there. What you need to do, just follow it, and then later write down the result. Yeah, make a conclusion. Okay. Any other questions?
Celeria.co/Jericho.
Apa? Nah, I am recording this screen ya. So what you say and what you do is recorded. No more? Okay then. I think that's all for today. Can you open the camera?
Hah? Kameraku.
Open the camera. Yo. Open the camera. 3, 2. Okay, I have. Okay, yuk. Yeah. Oh yeah, Miss Hanit told the students tomorrow is holiday. You can use that holiday time to do the experiment. Okay? So use.
Mister. Mabar kuwi Mister. Mau ngekon kue.
Oh, so WhatsApp me, just WhatsApp. If you don't WhatsApp, I don't know. Okay ya, that's all. Do the experiment tomorrow because tomorrow is holiday. You can use it for doing the experiment. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining. Bye bye guys. Yo, bye. I'm leaving.
Mr.
Bye bye.